We're back, and today we're at a trail, and we're gonna be pranking Maggie. So, I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll be back when we get to an either interesting part or it's a prank. Okay, see ya. Okay, so I'll be quiet.
You have to restart it?
Yeah, don't worry, it's fine. It's recording it now, actually. So, wait, is that a stream? Nope, just a ditch. Or what?
Tristan had to redo the video a million times.
Yep. That's a little exaggerated. Oh, I think this was a stream. And this bridge feels very unstable. Hey. It's a cute puppy. Whoa, this is cool. I feel like I'm at a jumping park.
Haha, jumping park.
That's not funny. Toys at the cub. Oh my gosh, I got giant slime in my shoe. Okay, I'm pausing the video. Guys, I think we found our first mess of the day. It's not poo.
It looks like a shape of a puppy.
Oh, it does? Oh yeah, it does.
Wait, what is that? That's food.
That's a ton of raspberries or blackberries.
No, then why are these bugs flying on it? I saw a little fly.
Yeah, those were gnats trying to probably getting the fruit. Oh my, that's cool.
Where's Dominic?
I don't know.
We went to that other trail and I told him it was a dead end. At least last time I checked.
Did you hear that?
That was like a week ago.
See that movie? I think it's a rabbit. This is a pretty deep ditch. Stream. I feel like this is a river. Come look. Oh my gosh.
It's like a little.
And it looks even cooler on video too. Okay. Oh, for a second I saw Dominic. Okay, guys, I just put a spider there. I think I have to go back. Okay, I'm done.
Okay. You had to go potty, so. Are you going potty now too? Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. Oh my gosh! Gotcha! Okay, I'll be back for the next prank. Okay, so that prank was successful. Oh, why? Okay. Okay. I said it right here, guys. What's that? Do you see some?